All right, so in this week's exercise, you will be taking the things that Woko gone through today and put those into practice. You will, there is one notebook today with 2 problems. So the first one is a problem where you will take a set of origin points and destination points from 2 different CSV files, read in them and geolocate them with some geocoding techniques. And then you will then get OpenStreetMap data from the area around those points and use them to fetch a graph and plot that graph in the end, minding your projections and reproject it and plot it on a map with the network and the destination and origin points. And then in the last problem for this week, you will then do some analysis and calculations based on those origin and destination points, calculating some length and finding the shortest paths between all the different points in your data sets. And then finally plot those routes also to a map.